We have been celebrating Independence Day on 15th of August and Republic Day on 26th of January every year since 1947 and 1950 respectively. But this celebration is merely not an easy one. Beginning with the uprising of 1857, the journey of India's independence has really been a painstaking one. Thousands of innocent people lost their life in different movements like the one of Jallianwala Bagh. And how can we forget the struggle and the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters for the independence of our nation? The struggle that lasted for more than a century and that contains the true stories of so many of our forefathers in the faces of men, women, and children, and that eventually led us to the freedom should be saluted forever. They did their duty at their fullest, and hence now it is our duty to do whatever is actually necessary for our nation. Our great freedom fighters had great thoughts. They really had tendencies to ignite our patriotic feelings for our nation. Here are a list of beautiful, most powerful patriotic thoughts, slogans, and quotations by our great leaders. These quotations really inspired and motivated the general innocent people of India in those days to fight against the British Raj for their freedom. Let us take a trip down to the amazing and inspiring thoughts of our great people. I have hereby tried to elaborate each of the slogan or quotation in both Hindi and English. I hope you will like it and this will be a boost to your patriotic feelings this year. Inqilab Zindabad, meaning long live the revolution. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Meaning, give me blood and I will give you freedom. सारे जहां से अच्छा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा. The best of the world is our nation, our India, our Hindustan. स्वराज मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर रहूंगा. Meaning, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it at any cost. करो या मरो, meaning do or die. अब भी जिसका खून नहीं खौला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम न आए वो बेकार जवानी है. If your blood does not rage, it is water that flows in your vein. If someone is not devoted to the nation, then his life is a waste. Vande Mataram, meaning Mother, I bow to thee. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुएं कातिल में है. The desire to make a sacrifice is in our heart. Let us see what strength there is in the arms of our executioner. खून से खेलेंगे होली, गर वतन मुश्किल में है. We are ready to play with our blood if our nation is in need. भारत का हर नागरिक यह याद रखे कि वह एक भारतीय है और उसे इस देश में पूरे अधिकार प्राप्त हैं, लेकिन कुछ जिम्मेदारियों के साथ. Every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in this country, but with certain duties. Satyamev Jayate, truth alone triumphs. आप मुझे जंजीर दे सकते हैं, आप मुझ पर अत्याचार कर सकते हैं, आप इस शरीर को नष्ट भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप कभी भी मेरे दिमाग में कैद नहीं होंगे. You can chain me, you can torture me, you can even destroy this body, but you will never imprison my mind. किसी भी इंसान को मारना आसान है, परंतु उसके विचारों को नहीं। महान साम्राज्य टूट जाते हैं, तबाह हो जाते हैं, जबकि उनके विचार बच जाते हैं। It is easy to kill individuals, but you cannot kill the ideas. Great empires crumbled while the idea survived. याद रखें, अन्याय सहना और गलत के साथ समझौता करना सबसे बड़ा अपराध है। इस शाश्वत सत्य का स्मरण रहे, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना ही पड़ेगा। Forget not that the grossest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrong. Remember the eternal law. You must give if you want to get. मंजिल को पाने की दिशा में आगे बढ़ते हुए याद रहे कि मंजिल की ओर बढ़ता रास्ता भी उतना ही नेक हो। Meaning, in attaining our ideals, our means should be as pure as the end. मेरे शरीर पर पड़ी एक एक लाठी ब्रिटिश सरकार के ताबूत में एक एक कील का काम करेंगी। Every blow on my body will prove a nail in the coffin of the British Empire. दुश्मन की गोलियों का हम सामना करेंगे, आज़ाद ही रहे हैं, आज़ाद ही रहेंगे। We will not hide the bullets of the enemy. Have been free, will remain free. एक देश की महानता, बलिदान और प्रेम उस देश के आदर्शों पर निहित करता है। A country's greatness lies in its undying ideals of love and sacrifice that inspire the mothers of the race. क्रांति मानव जाति का एक अपरिहार्य अधिकार है। स्वतंत्रता सभी का एक कभी न खत्म होने वाला जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है। श्रम समाज का वास्तविक निर्वाहक है। Revolution is an inalienable right of mankind. Freedom is an imperishable birthright of all. Labor is the real sustainer of society.